Hey everyone, my name is Muhajir. Today I'm gonna show you how to get started with PaperClip Cloud. So first you want to log into your Google account and then let's go to the dashboard. All right, so after the payment here, you will see your instance here. So let's try one of them here. So I have three, but I'm gonna try one of them. So let's click setup here for the first time and then so wait a bit and then click sign in or create. So you want to make sure you click create one here. It's not sign in, so it's going to be sign up. All right, so put my name here and then my email. Cool. And then let's click create account. Cool. So now we click accept bootstrap and invite and then click open board. Cool. Now we want to put our company name here, for example, PaperClip Cloud, and then just click next here. Let's choose Cloud Code and then click next. Cool. We're just gonna click next here and then create an open issue. All right, so we got our first issue here, hire your first engineer. So you will see that we have errors here. See this? So this is because our cloud code doesn't have the environment yet. So what we want to do is go to CEO here and then click configuration. Now here in environment variables, one, you have two options for cloud, right? So if you have the subscription, you want to have this environment variable. So cloud code OAuth tokens. If you don't have subscription, you want to use this environment variables, Anthropic API key. So since I have subscription, I'm just gonna try this. So cloud code OAuth token. And then how do I get the tokens here? So you want to open your terminals and then you want to type like this, cloud setup tokens. See this? Cloud setup tokens. And then once you click this, it will give you the link to log in to your browser. All right, I'm just going to show you basically right now. Cool. So click authorize. All right. Now, back here, you see that we have the token or our token. Now you want to put it here and then click save. All right. Now if we run the heartbeat again, all right, we see that we already start the first task now. So the cloud code is running right now. Cool. Now that it kind of already finished the task, you will see that in inbox, you have the first hire, a CTO. And then we can click approve here. Now we can check in the CTO again, the configurations. Yeah, it already have the cloud code OAuth token, right? If you don't have this yet, you want to make sure we have this here. All right, that's how to get started with PaperClip. Now, what if you don't have the cloud code subscription, right? You can use the Anthropic API key, this one. So how do we get started with that? So first we're going to just rename this, for example, like cloud code token. So we're going to use that. And then we're going to add Anthropic API key. How do you get this? So you want to Google Anthropic console. Now here in the cloud code console, so you can get API key here and then click create key and then just name it, for example, paperclip add and then copy key. So this is the API key for non-subscription. All right, you see that this one is OAuth, this one is the API key. This is different. Cool. That's how to get started with PaperClip.